My name is Tonya Starr, and I created a new dance called Just Like This. The music is by DJ Monty. The song is a remix of Beautiful and Like This. This dance is a four-wall dance. It is a beginner dance. You will do a 48 count on each wall. The dance will end on your back wall, so it's 1.5 rotations. So just remember, just have fun with it. Okay, here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance. Thank you. So here is just the basic 8 count for the dance, just like this. 5. It starts off with a 2 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. 7, 8. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're coming back on 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pause. Slight pauses. 8. Then it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. The dance starts over. Beginning of the top of the dance, new wall with your 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? That's the 8 count. Now this is the moves. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sway, sway, shuffle, shuffle, sway, sway, shuffle, shuffle, cha-cha. Take it up, take it back, cross over, right, left. Pause. Tap, kick, tap, kick. Now box step on the right, reverse that box step on the left. Now you're going to do a sway with a swirl and a hook. Sway, sway, swirl, hook, come down, sway, sway, swirl, hook, come down. Then you're going to do 4 sways. Then you're going to do 2 rollbacks. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slight pause. Then it's your up, out, sailor step, up, out, sailor step. So I did it on the right, then I did it on the left. Now you're going to do a shuffle, shuffle, 3/4 turn, and then the dance is going to start from the top, but with a new wall. Shuffle, shuffle to your right. Shuffle, shuffle, 3/4 turn on your left. And now the dance is going to start over. New wall with your sway, sway, shuffle, shuffle, sway, sway, shuffle, shuffle. So you're going to hit all 4 walls. When you get back to your front wall, that's 1 full rotation. Then you're going to do a rotation here on your side wall. And then once you get to the back wall, the dance is end of dance. The song cuts off. There is no rotation on the back wall. It only ends on the back wall. That is the instructional.